Easy power chord jams, number 4, Rock You Like a Hurricane by the Scorpions. It's a really fun one, this one over here. Nice quick rhythm changes and everything, few little dampings, but let's do less talking and more playing here. Okay, first going to focus now, what is our fretting hand doing? So let's focus in on it. As mentioned over and over again, we must, by the end of these 7 videos on this particular PDF page, we must know where to find our power chords. So at fret number 7 of the A string, this is E5. The 5 means power chord, the same as a small letter M means minor. 5 means power chord. So you're starting with the E5. Next up is going to be a G5. Notice that the shape doesn't change, but its position does. So where you place it changes. Now you can use fingers 1 and 3 as well if you want to, instead of 1 and 4. You can bring the octave in, but for these studies I'm keeping it simple, either 1 and 3 or 1 and 4 and 2 strings. So this is G5. A is by fret number 5, and then your last C down a string again, and D. So that's your basic rhythm pattern. So step 1, let's down. We're going to now look at our strumming pattern. So we're going to focus on the strumming hand a bit there. I've turned the volume down so we can focus on the counting, because I want to hear you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The counting is very, very important over there. So make sure 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Notice the offbeat. Next up, the second bar goes to A. You can see my hand sort of moving a little bit in the top corner of your screen there. A is going to sound like this, 1 and. So it's going from the offbeat of and 4 onto the downbeat of 1 and. So you're counting very, very important. It's going to sound like this so far. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. Must be able to get the counting right. And then the last 2 is going to be offbeats and 3 and 4, which will be your C and D respectively. So if you play it the whole way through now without sound, you count along with me, try and get more of a finger view here so you can even change it a bit as well. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And there you go. Let's try it together with some sound, and we're also going to change the view a bit. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and... I did make a mistake there, and I don't mind if you make a mistake, but don't stop like I just did. Very important lesson. I was going to redo the video for this, and I thought, no, wait a minute. If I don't show you the mistakes, how are you going to learn what a mistake is? So if you play the wrong chord, it's fine, smile, look at the bass player, it's normally always their fault anyway, just kidding. Okay, but don't stop. So let's go again, and hopefully I don't have to do another lesson on mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and... Hope you enjoy the lesson. Have a cool week and learn the names of the notes, especially your top E string and your 5th A string. Get to know the names of the notes and count out loud. Please have a good week. Cheers.